Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of your review channel. Yes, Pop Tech reached out to me again to review another one of their cell phone holders. But this is really kind of cool. It's silicone and it's for your car vent only. That's what this is for. Quick unboxing. We're going to get right to the car and show you how to use it. So this is for a pop socket. So if you have a pop socket on your phone, this is what this is for. So it's really easy to use and really kind of cool. I like it a lot, actually. I was playing with it in my car earlier. So let's just take a quick look in the box, see what's in here. So we have is the actual holder itself. This is made out of silicone, which is actually the silicone covered, which is really nice. And this slides right in, super easy, as you can see here. And the phone just twists and turns, so you can do horizontal or vertical. That's really nice. I like the way it slides in really easy. And also, it does come with a quick connect for your vent. You can see here how it opens and closes really quickly. Close it. Watch this. See how it opens and closes? It's like that there. Really cool. And this connects to the ball. So you put this on here, and then you pop this in like this, just like that there. You tighten this up, and that's how you attach it to this here. And then you just pop this in your vent, and you just snug it down. And it works actually really well, really fast and quickly. So this will hold the vent nice and tightly. So that's how that works. And also in the package, it does come with some extra pads. So if your pop thingy breaks or falls off, they give you some extra sticky pads. They give you some alcohol preps in here as well, and a little instructions that you really don't need because it's pretty easy to do. And that's it. All right, so let's get to the car. Hey guys, so I'm in the car, and I'm just going to give you a quick secret how to install this. So you want to push this all the way into the vent, and also see this little groove here. You want this groove to sit inside the inside vent, the one that goes left to right. You get every car pretty much has that left to right vent. So you want to put that in the center, and you want this to sit right in the center of that. And the idea is to push it in so it locks into that back vent. Push it all the way in. Let me just show you here. You push it all the way down, okay, and then you tighten it up. So what that does, it locks it into place, so it won't move. Now, that's not going anywhere. That's pretty snug. It's fixed. It's like you see here, and then you can just pivot the head just like that. See how that's pivoting? Real easy. Then you can just tighten up the ball of the head, and that is good to go. So that's how you install that. Just make sure you push it all the way to the back. Make sure it's the back fin gets in the center of that, and that's all you have to do. And the phone's, again, real easy. Here it is right here. Just pop it right on, and then you can see how it slides in. There we go. Now you can see. So you can see how it slides in just like that there, and that's that easy. Pop it off, slide it right out, and then slide it right back in. Real easy. Again, horizontal or vertical. I love that. Real easy to use. I love the simplicity of this item, honestly. You can see how it works. Just pop it right out. I love that. Again, silicone, so it has a nice rubber feel to it. I love this. Definitely a great product. Definitely recommend this. Check out this product. I'll leave a link down below in this video in the description area, and that is a link for this product. Definitely go ahead, and if it's something simple, they're very inexpensive. Get 3 or 4 of them for the cars. They're really nice and simple, and they work well. And especially if you have, everybody seems to have these little pop things. Again, easy to pop on, just like that. Super simple. I love it. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you found this helpful, let me know. Leave some comments down below. That helps me so I can continue helping you, please. Also, like the video if you think this was helpful, if I gave you some valuable information, and I really appreciate that as well. It means a lot to me. And that's it for this one.